Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back. I really want to try to be active on YouTube this year. So let's start it off with a bang. I'm gonna do a huge PR unboxing haul. I'm so grateful for all the brands who sent me these. I was able to get on a ton of PR lists because of Ulta Beauty. I've been such an Ulta girl since I was in high school. I can't believe this is where I am now. I'm so excited to open all of these. Let's get into it. Package opener. It's from Amazon. Okay. I love ColourPop. Powder palette. Ooh, so pretty. 1111 eyeshadow palette. So okay. Let's open it. So stunning. Then they sent these nude sticks. The cutest packaging. This box is beautiful. Like peptide body cream. This is the prettiest pink shade. Comes in this little bag. Peptide body cream. This is from L'Oreal, and if you guys didn't know, L'Oreal owns a lot of different makeup brands. When we had our very first brand trip with Ulta Beauty, it's not just for like funsies, you know. We learned a lot. We actually visited a lot of the HQs and we learned a lot about products, the team, like behind all of these amazing brands. They packed it in a gift bag. This bag will definitely be reused. Super cool. I actually love the scent of this. I was able to try it at Coachella. Let's open this tiny little box because honestly I'm gonna gift that one. Oh my god, it's so tiny and cute. I'm keeping this small one because I don't really need to keep a big amount of fragrance. Like I just don't want to waste it. So this is gonna go to a lucky person. Osea. I love Osea. We met them as well during our trip. I use their eye serum every morning and every night. Highly recommended. Body polish and Sea Glow resurfacing scrub. Body polish and a face exfoliator. Next up, we're gonna go here. I think this is Fenty. Stunning. Oh my gosh. Like, every time I open a package, it doesn't feel real. This is from Fenty Beauty. Comes in this cute little pink packaging. Let's see what's in here. Wow. Wow. Okay, this is an Eavesdrop Blur and Smooth Tint Stick. Okay, I want to try these out. Like, I want to make a video out of it. I believe, yep, this is the SPF. I love their sunscreen. This one, Zend Coffee that fills your cup. I don't think I've ever gotten anything from them in the past, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. This is what it looks like. I got 2 bags of ground coffee. This is the balanced blend. It has notes of chocolate, cinnamon, and cherry. It's a medium roast. And then this one is Guatemala. Has sweet cream, cocoa, and blueberry. I think this is more of my vibe. I'm gonna have to try this one. But yeah, I'm excited. They smell so good. And my parents love coffee, so they're gonna be happy with that. But okay, they also sent this Corksicle drink wall. It's probably like a... Ooh! How cute! Yes! I love these mugs. Hey! Finally, I actually got a package from Corksicle. Am I saying that right? I'm so sorry if I'm not, but I got a package from them last Christmas. And it was such a nice gift that I re-gifted it to one of my family members, so I didn't get to keep it. But I might keep this one. I take a long time drinking anything hot, so this is perfect because it's gonna keep it warm. This big Lush package. Lush is now available at Ulta Beauty. Lush at Ulta. Best of bath bombs. The body care discovery kit. Just to see what's in here. I love the color. It looks like a little marshmallow. Is it the scene? It's so pretty. Gorgeous. I think this is the body lotion. Facial care discovery kit. It's another cute little soap. There's a toner and Ultra Blend facial cleanser. It smells so good. Lotion. It's like pretty powdery from the bath bomb. What is in here? Hand soap, body wash, body lotion. Ah! They wrote me a note. They said, "Dear Patricia, we love your content. We hope you enjoy these fall goodies in our Mila toiletry pouch." You. Okay, yeah. She's coming with me everywhere I go when I travel. It is packed. There's makeup in here. I'm so excited. Cute little mascara. Glitter. I love this brand. Really pretty glitters. Some sweet candy. House Labs right here. This is what it looks like inside. This is so cool. This is from First Aid Beauty. Yeah. This is the best, one of the best moisturizers. This is the little size, the jar size. Wait, it's so cute. Wait, it's so cute. Yes, it's like their custom made candle. And I love a set of candles. They sent slippers. That is so nice. Oh my god. They're so cute. Ew. They're so cozy. Oh my god, it fits me. I'm kind of, I was this one. This is from Inner Sense. This Tyler also loves this brand. Ooh. Yay, how cute. The rest of the hair care system that I want to try. Travel sizes, shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, and hair mask. This is perfect because I travel a lot, so this is great. It all comes in this box. Travel size of prep spray, volumizing foam, style cream, and hairspray. This hair renew scalp oil. Oh my gosh, yes, I'm so excited to try this. I love scalp oils. To a scalp scrub. Okay, next up we have MAC. I love MAC. My mom is obsessed with MAC. Ooh. Lots of little lippies. I haven't tried this one out, but my favorites. Ooh. Ooh. So cute. I have never tried a lip mask that's clumping. This is cool. I've never heard of this actually. Lily lashes. So cute. It says confidential for your eyes only. Comes in this cute little packaging. Little mirror. Lash extension kit. One California Naturals. Nice. Oh, I love their card. It's so cute. They sent a cute little hat. I do not look the best in hats. Their packaging is literally so cute. Body wash and body moisturizers. Rem Beauty. REM. Ooh. Seamless underlash extensions. It comes with like the little bond and the seal and all of that. Wispies and faux. There's so many things in here. Okay. This is what it looks like inside. Ace of Hair Impulse Kit. Wait, it's so cute. Another hair care kit. I love the pink and the red. Super cute. They also sent a bonding mask, shampoo, foaming gel. I love tote bags. This is what it looks like. And then they also sent this bucket hat. I love this color. This is gonna be so cute for spring. Light repairing serum. How cute! This color is so cute. Mighty Patch Puffy Eyes for tired eyes. Yes. Illuminating eye cream. And they sent tea. Wake up on the bright side of the bed. Enjoy a cup of hot tea while you let your new eye-opening routine work its magic. Okay, next up is from Frank Body. I love their products. The packaging is just so cute. She deserves her own unboxing. So I'm just gonna show like a little bit. Oh, pretty easy to show, but this is what it looks like. It's a body scrub and body serum. Package another one from L'Oreal. Another Mugler bag. Wait, it's so pretty. I think this is the same fragrance as earlier. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. I'm gonna figure it out later, but it's like the same fragrance. Ooh. Products, I love the packaging, the green conditioning cream. Love. It's almost done. I think this one is from Briogeo. I'm so sorry. I feel like I'm pronouncing a lot of the brand names wrong. It says clean care, healthy hair. Don't crush. But oh my gosh, you're so cute. It broke. I'm so sad. It's okay. It's a thought that counts, and they look yummy, so yeah. Wait, how cute. Scalp Revival collection. It's a charcoal and coconut oil detox. Little scrub, spray, a deep conditioning mask, and even treatment. This is what it looks like. Also sent this cute little pouch. It's from Natasha Denona. I love the packaging. It's neutral. Oh, I love it. See what it looks like. Ooh, those are pretty. I love NYX. NYX is one of the makeup brands that I was buying all throughout high school because it's very affordable. Okay, this is what it looks like. Micro brow pencils. Actually, I've never tried these ones. Brow gel, brow glue. It's the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. It literally says enjoy this juicy sweet treat. XO the e.l.f. team. e.l.f. confident. Okay, wait, I'm so excited. We're gonna use her literally tomorrow. Oh, I love All People. It's the lengthening mascara, black, pro black, and brown. Next up is from Bobbi Brown. Oh, this is from Bumble and Bumble. Sorry, I think like a lot of them have like similar companies, like the Bobbi Brown. Yeah, it's from Bobbi Brown, but I think they own Bumble and Bumble. I could be wrong. This one is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Treatment Lotion and the Heat Primer, which I really like. So yeah, so this is the last package. Let's see. Oh, my birthday on here. This was the moon when I was born. That was everything that I got. I'm so grateful. I'm gonna be giving away to 2 winners. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And comment down below what you're looking forward to in 2024. You can enter as many times as you want. Okay, bye.